Welcome to this session. I am Rajni Bala, English Mistress at Government Smart High School, Pindra, District Sangrur. Dear students, let us recapitulate what we did in advertisement part 1. Let us understand its meaning and how it should be drafted. Advertisements are the messages carried in media like newspaper, radio and television to persuade people to buy the product or service offered by the advertiser. ਵਿਗਿਆਪਨ ਜਾਂ ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰੀਆਂ ਅਖਬਾਰਾਂ, ਰੇਡੀਓ ਅਤੇ ਟੀਵੀ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਜਾਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸੁਨੇਹੇ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਵਿਗਿਆਪਨ ਜਾਂ ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰੀਆਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਸਤਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਸੇਵਾਵਾਂ ਖਰੀਦਣ ਲਈ ਆਕਰਸ਼ਿਤ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ। Advertisements play an important role in the promotion of business. ਵਿਗਿਆਪਨ ਇਸ਼ਤਿਹਾਰ ਜਾਂ ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰੀਆਂ ਵਪਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਮਹੱਤਵਪੂਰਨ ਭੂਮਿਕਾ ਨਿਭਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ। Drafting an advertisement. An advertisement should be simple and to the point. ਵਿਗਿਆਪਨ ਜਾਂ ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰੀ ਸਧਾਰਨ ਅਤੇ ਸਟੀਕ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ। They should be drafted in such a manner that they tempt the reader to go through them even if the reader has no desire to buy the product. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਣਾਵਟ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਉਸ ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਵਸਤੂ ਨੂੰ ਖਰੀਦਣ ਦੀ ਇੱਛਾ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ। Advertisement should be written in a box. ਵਿਗਿਆਪਨ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਕਸ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। Advertisement should be written in capital letters. ਵਿਗਿਆਪਨ ਨੂੰ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਅੱਖਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। Let us see some sample advertisements on the topics given in our textbook. Sample number 1 is advertisement on Orient pen. Dear students, as I told you earlier, advertisement should be written in a box. See on the slide. First draw a box. As good pen is associated with good handwriting, so we need to attract public's mind towards improving handwriting. Let us start this ad with the line, "Are you ashamed of your handwriting?" And this line should be in capital letters. Then improve it now. This is our punchline. Improve it now with Orient pen. Then in this advertisement, we should give detail of the product. Designer, trendy and firm grip. Designer means vadiya design wala. Trendy means adunik. And firm grip means majboot pakad wala pen. Then calling readers' attention, we should write buy one today means aaj hi kharido. We can add its price in a catchy manner. Like we can write the price in stars. Now let us see sample number 2. Advertisement on Tip Top Beauty Parlor. As we know, why do we visit beauty parlor? Because everyone wants to look beautiful. So we started by making a box, then write the line, beauty is skin deep. Now we want the reader to visit this particular parlor. So we can write walk in. Walk in means आओ. For all types of beauty treatments. हर एक तरह दे beauty treatment लई. Beauty treatments, for example, facial, manicure, makeup, all these are called beauty treatments. At your very own. It means ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ. Now we will write the name of the parlor, Tip Top Beauty Parlor. Because यही parlor ना है इस दी ਅਸੀਂ advertisement कर रहे हैं. Then write address here, opposite bus stand, Fagwara. Now let's see the next advertisement. Sample number 3. Advertisement on Galaxy Herbal Toothpaste. Let's first draw a box. Start the advertisement with the line for sparkling and white teeth. Means ਚਮਕਦਾਰ ਅਤੇ ਸਫੇਦ ਦੰਦਾਂ ਲਈ. Use ਭਾਵ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰੋ. Then write the name of the product, and the product is Galaxy Herbal Toothpaste. Then write how this toothpaste will make teeth white. The goodness of herbs fight means ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਹਰਬਸ ਹਨ, ਜੋ ਜੜੀਆਂ ਬੂਟੀਆਂ ਹਨ, ਉਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਠੀਕ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ, ਕੀ ਠੀਕ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ? ਟੁੱਥ ਡਿਕੇ, ਦੰਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋਣਾ, ਬੈਡ ਆਰਡਰ, ਮੂੰਹ ਦੀ ਬਦਬੂ, ਗਮ ਡਿਜ਼ੀਜ਼, ਮਸੂੜਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਿਮਾਰੀਆਂ. Then make a smiley hair. As white teeth improves our smile, then write the offer in catchy manner, and the offer should be attractive, like buy one get one free, ek de naal ek muft. Now let's move on towards the next sample. Sample number 4. Advertisement on Universe Academy. Dear students, Academy is a place where we study and build a career. So draw a box first. Then start writing build a career of your choice. Means अपनी मर्जी दा career बनाओ. Then write the name of the academy in capital letters, Universe Academy. Then give the facilities the academy will provide. Means innumerable courses, affordable course fees, qualified staff, modern facilities. Innumerable courses means many courses. Affordable course fees means the fees which that is in your budget, you can pay. Qualified staff, modern facilities, admission open. Then contact number and name and the contact number. Now let us move on to the next sample. Sample number 5. Advertisement on a showroom, Kids World. Kids are little children. Start the advertisement by drawing a box. Then write a special place for little ones. Means छोटे बच्चों ਲਈ एक खास जगह. Then write the name of the showroom, Kids World. Then write the things one can get there. Trendy outfits, that means आजकल दे रिवाज दे कपड़े. Toys, खिडौने, books, किताबां, and much more. Means और भी बहुत कुछ. Why did we write much more here? To attract readers to visit the place. ताकि लोग उस दुकान पे आन. Then write Visit today. आज ही आओ. Then write the address as here, Goal Market, Banga, and then the contact number. Now read sample number 6. Advertisement on Azad Travel Agency. Let's draw a box first. Now start writing. Package available. Package means many in one. Then write the name of the agency to be advertised. Azad Travel Agency. Attractive packages for Mauritius, Singapore, Malaysia. These are the places outside India. Write the package in catchy manner as here in a star-like formation. It means one can visit any of these places only by paying this much money. The package is 3 nights, 4 days, rupees 9999 for single person. Then contact, name and phone number. Now let us move on to sample number 7. Advertisement on Futura coconut hair oil. Now students, why do people need hair oil? To stop dryness or hair fall. So draw a box first. Start the advertisement by writing stop. Dandruff, dryness and hair fall. Dandruff ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਸਿੱਕਰੀ. Dryness means ਖੁਸ਼ਕੀ and hair fall means ਵਾਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਝੜਨਾ. Use Futura coconut oil. Then add the free trial offer in a catchy manner to attract readers' attention. Now move on to sample number 8. Advertisement on New Era Book Fair to be organized by your school. Let us start this advertisement by drawing a box first. Books for all age groups means for young and old. With this line, the readers of all age groups are attracted to visit the fair. Then write the name of the fair in capital letters. New Era Book Fair. Now we need to tell the readers at what time, date and place they can come to see the fair. So give this information in the manner shown here in the box. Mention the date as 20 September to 29 September. Time 10 a.m. means 10 in the morning to 6 p.m. p.m. means evening. Then write venue. Venue means place. In this case, it is Oberoi Towers. As this fair is to be organized by your school, then we will write the school name. For example, DAV Public School, Jalandhar. Now let's see the next sample. Sample number 9. Advertisement on Chamak detergent powder. Let us draw a box first, as we do every time we start an advertisement. Then write challenge. With this word challenge, we are throwing a challenge that the product in the advertisement is better than any other detergent. Then write all stains go in a single wash. Means ਸਾਰੇ ਦਾਗ ਮਿਟ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਧੁਲਾਈ ਵਿੱਚ. Don't believe what we say? Then write the offer. Take a free trial offer. This is to attract readers to buy the product. use means इस्तेमाल करो, चमक detergent powder, a quality product. That means this product is of very good quality. Now it's time to read. It's time to read sample number 10, and that is advertisement on Mode Boutique. Draw a box first. Dear students, what is a boutique? Boutique is a place where clothes are stitched. Now write the words which will attract readers' attention, like trendy, fashionable, stylish. Then write the line, be a new age woman. ਇਸ ਲਾਈਨ ਦਾ ਭਾਵ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਵੇਂ ਜ਼ਮਾਨੇ ਦੇ ਦਿਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਇਸੇ ਬੁਟੀਕ ਤੋਂ ਸਿਲਵਾਓ। Then write, walk in for all types of designer wear. ਹਰੇਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਰ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਸਿਲਵਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਆਓ। At your own, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ। Then write the name of the boutique to be advertised. Mode Boutique. Pay a visit today. Pav aaj hi aao. Then write the address like given here. In this advertisement, Monica Towers, Milap Chowk, Banga, and phone number. Now here are practice exercises. First advertisement is Fresh Feel mouthwash. Now tell me what to do first before we start writing an advertisement. Yes, you are right. First draw a box. Then write New Fresh Feel mouthwash with natural clove oil. Dear students, clove means long. Clove oil and anti-germs formula for long lasting freshness means ਇਸ ਮਾਊਥਵਾਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਲੌਂਗ ਦਾ ਤੇਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਮੂੰਹ ਦੇ ਕੀਟਾਣੂਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਤਾਜ਼ਗੀ ਨੂੰ ਲੰਮੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਤੱਕ ਬਣਾਈ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ। We can also draw a picture to attract readers' minds and add price in a star like this. Our next practice exercise is handloom exhibition. Do you remember, dear students? We made an ad of book fair. Similarly, we can write date, time, and venue. As I told you earlier, venue means place. Here we have to write the name of the colony where this fair has to be organized. Then name of the organizers. To attract readers' attention, one can add this star-like formation and write first time in your city. By writing this line, the readers will definitely be attracted to come and see the exhibition. And this free entry ticket will make this ad more catchy. Now let's move ahead. The next exercise is to write an advertisement on Rose Touch Skin Cream. Start by drawing a box. Then write for soft and shiny skin. Use. Then write the name of the product. That is Rose Touch Skin Cream. Then write its qualities like moisturizing means त्वचा ਨੂੰ खुश्की तो बचाउण वाली क्रीम. Whitening means रंग साफ करन वाली. And anti-wrinkle means त्वचा ਨੂੰ ਝੁਰੜੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਾਉਣ ਵਾਲੀ cream. Then we can draw a picture of the cream and then add the offer like available in sachet for free trial. This catchy offer will certainly catch the reader's attention. Now let us read an advertisement on High Life Furniture House. As usual, draw a box. Start with a punchline like furnish your home, furnish your life. Means ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਸਵਾਰੋ ਅਤੇ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨੂੰ ਸਵਾਰੋ. Then write High Life Furniture. Add the address of the showroom just below its name. Write the discount offer of 50% off in a star and add the items available in the showroom. For example, sofa sets and imported dining tables. Now let us do the next practice advertisement on a mosquito repellent. Start by drawing a box. Then write can't have sound sleep. ਭਾਵ ਕਿ ਮੱਛਰਾਂ ਕਾਰਨ ਨੀਂਦ ਲੈਣ ਤੋਂ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨ ਹੋ. Then add a punchline as take it easy. ਭਾਵ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. Keep mosquitoes away. ਮੱਛਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੂਰ ਰੱਖੋ. Then write the name of the product. Natural mosquito repellent oil. A quality product. Buy one today. आज ही खरीदो. With this, we have come to the end of this practice session of today. Dear students, if you remember, I gave you an exercise of classified advertisement to do at home. Your question was
for your practice at home. The question is, you are marketing head of Bata Bata Footwear Limited, Bindusagar Nagar, Rohini, New Delhi. You need a salesman in your office. Write an advertisement for local daily of your area for the situation vacant.
Now here is the answer. Wanted a smart, efficient salesman for a manufacturing company. Qualifications: graduate or equivalent. Age 20 to 30 years. Experience 1 year. Preference: those who can speak good English. Salary negotiable. Apply. Complete biodata till 29th March 2019 to the manager, Bata Bata Footwear Limited, Bindusagar Nagar, Rohini, New Delhi. Dear students, here is a rhyme of advertisement for you to remember its use. I hope you would like this. Advertisement, advertisement. Advertisement of service or a thing. Advertisement of anything. Advertisement by TV or by radio. Maybe an audio or maybe a video. Classified or commercial. Find any job or sell any material. Advertisement, if reach the people, makes your profit double and triple. I hope this lesson will be useful. Thank you. Keep practicing, keep
learning.